How does the current state of tension between Iran and Israel reflect a dynamic shift in contemporary warfare? This is the question we find ourselves wrestling with as we delve into the intricate web of geopolitical maneuvering, strategic calculations, and information warfare that has come to define this conflict. The tension between these two nations has been brewing for years, but recent developments have brought it into sharper focus. Iran's calculated approach to deterrence, including kamikaze drone attacks and the possession of ballistic missiles, has been met with increased skepticism, especially in light of the targeted assassinations of key Iranian figures in 2020. Iran's direct involvement in regional conflicts previously conducted through proxies indicates a pivotal shift in its approach. This change is not only reshaping Iran's image domestically but also redefining its role on the global stage. Yet the economic ramifications of Iran's expansionist policies have stirred internal dissent, adding a new layer of complexity to an already convoluted situation. But this conflict is not confined to the battlefield. It has spilled over into the realm of information warfare. Here, Iran and Israel are engaged in a fierce battle of narratives, each seeking to legitimize their position and advance their strategic objectives. The lines between conventional warfare and hybrid warfare have blurred, making it difficult to discern the true nature of the conflict. The conflict's authenticity is another point of contention. The media coverage transforms it into a sensational spectacle, obscuring the human suffering and geopolitical implications. Israel's Prime Minister Netanyahu has sought to expand the conflict to bolster his legitimacy, both domestically and internationally. This move also serves to deflect attention from ongoing challenges, such as the International Court of Justice case. Meanwhile, the unwavering support of the United States under President Biden for Israel adds another layer of complexity to the situation. This support has sparked backlash from Democratic voters, further complicating the narrative surrounding the conflict. So, we find ourselves questioning, what is the true nature of this conflict? Is it a stark manifestation of modern warfare, or a simulated spectacle, as Baudrillard would suggest? We invite you to share your thoughts on the Iran-Israel tension in the comments below. Your insights and perspectives enrich our understanding of this complex issue. Remember, it's through open dialogue and shared knowledge that we can begin to untangle the intricacies of global security.